Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today on Cooking with Niecy. Today we're going to be making up some air fried pies with some chocolate and cream cheese and some lemon drizzle. Don't you go anywhere, we'll be right back. Air fried pies, they're going to be so easy. Now you can bake these or fry these, but today we're going to try an air cooker for the first time, so it's a little experimental. But just a few ingredients. For the pie, all you need is a pie crust, cream cheese, and some chocolate hummus. And for the lemon drizzle, you'll just need some confectioner's sugar, a little bit of butter, and some lemon juice. It's going to be so delicious and so easy. Okay, so let's do some assembly here. I've got one started already. So it's just a matter of plopping down some chocolate hummus. There we are. And a good sized dollop of cream cheese in there also. And I know I'm using my fingers again, but it's just me. All right, so there's that. And I'm just gonna get a little bit of water on my fingertips just to kind of put on the edges there, and that'll help keep it together. There we are. I'm just gonna fold that over just like so, and I'm gonna grab a fork, just a little bit of flour on those tines. There we are. And this is gonna help just keep it together while it's cooking so we don't lose any of that chocolatey goodness. There we are. And can't wait to show you the lemon drizzle. It's so delicious. I'm not a big lemon fan myself, however this was just unbelievably delish. Okay, so just gonna take a little drizzle of melted butter on there. We're going to do both sides, that way it gets nice and brown. There we are. There we go. All right, and that is ready to go in the fryer. So we'll see you back in just a minute. All right, well, let's check this out. Now it's been in the fryer. Oh yeah, that's good and golden brown. So it's been in the fryer about 10 minutes on 325, and then just check it a few minutes every few minutes just to make sure it doesn't burn, because it does cook quickly. And so now we're going to do the drizzle, and this is really simple. It's just about 4 heaping teaspoons of confectioner's sugar, and about half a teaspoon of butter, and just a couple of squirts of lemon juice, and it just comes to this wonderful consistency. And we're going to do a little brush of that on here as well. And it just adds a couple of different types of flavors to it. A little bit of sweet and tangy and sour all at the same time. Just drizzle as much of that as you want on there. So there, look at that, the air fried pie. So air fried pie. Give this a try at home. It's super easy, super simple and quick. And look, you get all this crust all the way around it. It is so delicious and light. The cream cheese and the hummus are great inside, but that lemon drizzle on top, oh man, it sets it off. So thank you so much for joining us today on Cooking with Niecy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for Cooking with Niecy. Today we're going to be cooking up some fried air pies. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me with Cooking for Niecy. Today we're going to be cooking up some air fried pies. Hey
we got snores.
So give this a try. Seems like I get worse every show we do.
Not true.
This is more takes than ever. Okay. So, do it again. So give this a try at home. It's super easy in this air fryer. It didn't take long at all. And it's only a few ingredients, and the lemon drizzle, oh, it's to die for. So thank you for joining me today on Cooking with Niecy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.